Oh my god, dude. Like, what is this, bro? Yo, it's in this bag. It's definitely in this bag. Then we have, is this a Bape? Okay, guys, so today I'm gonna have a mystery box unboxing. Now, I think this is a $1,500 mystery box. It's like $1,800 worth of stuff, so I'm just gonna title it $2,000 mystery box. I'm just gonna have a little bit of clickbait. I wanted to say, I know there's a lot of controversy around this whole mystery box stuff going on, especially with mystery brand, but I want to make a little quick difference between mystery brand and Sarugeneral. Sarugeneral is a reseller who offers a service, and he's a known, respected reseller. You guys know me, I don't put on for anything that I don't trust. I think this is the second mystery box video on my channel. If you guys would like to see more of them, of course, smash that like button down below, and if this video gets enough love, I will gladly do more mystery boxes, but I will only do mystery boxes with brands or companies that I trust, or at least I will only recommend mystery boxes for companies that I trust. I got a lot of good feedback on the last Sarugeneral mystery box video that I did, and I have continued to get waves of good feedback from people who have used Sarugeneral service or purchased things from Sarugeneral in the past. So huge shout out to Sarugeneral for sending this box. I'm gonna leave a link to the website down in the description below, so you guys can go cop a mystery box for yourself if you so choose. I just got a notification. It's probably CJ telling me that I'm 45 minutes late to my class. So anyways, hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Like I said, like this video, go check out Sarugeneral, and yeah, let's get to it. Woo, YouTube! We made it! We have finally made it. We have the box from the man, the myth, the legend himself, Sarugeneral. I know you guys might be thinking like, Jacob, you are way too hyped right now. However, you guys do not understand. My man Sarugeneral has so much fire. This man has so many grails. I don't know what he is doing, but oh my goodness. Like, look at this piece right here. This beautiful Bape Polaroid camera. You guys might be saying like, Jacob, that's not a Polaroid camera. Psych! Bitch, you thought. Look at that. That thing is absolutely gorgeous. Just look at it.
Look at that. That's nice and shiny.
That is so fucking unique and cool. And he just has some of the coolest shit that you will ever see from Bape and Supreme. So definitely check out Sarugeneral. He sent me this mystery box. I've shouted him out before on my Instagram, and I really like working with him because whenever I work with him or whenever I shout him out, I get at least like 1 or 2 people that are like, yo, stop shouting out Sarugeneral because he's got all the best deals. And they're like, oh, you're blowing up the spot. Like, yada, yada, yada. He started doing mystery boxes. I think I've done 1 or 2 on this channel since its conception. However, that being said, Sarugeneral is a brand that I trust, and I trust that he will definitely make the mystery box game solid for everyone who buys. I think with someone like Sarugeneral, it's cool because he can send you pieces that you won't even know about. That it'll be like a genuine mystery. It won't be just like GR shit that's bricking. Now, as you can see, the box barely made it, but we do not care. Black blade, boom! We got the black blade in hand, and we are ready to go. Now, I'm really curious. Actually, maybe I should put my bifocals on so I can really inspect this package. Oh shit, these are dirty. Let me just... Bam. Alright, let's open this. Okay, what do we have in here? So, I am aware of like 1 or 2 items. Damn, he's taking this to the next level. He's doing like wrapping. Okay, we're gonna open this in a moment, so I really don't know what this is yet. And you guys know me, I'm not too familiar with Bape, but it looks like he sent me a similar Bape camo that matches the jacket I bought off him from a while ago. Oh my god, he is sending me bangers. Dude, I'm surprised this little box has so much shit. Okay, first off, oh my god, he sent it, yes! Okay, so, literally, this is one of the pieces I needed. As you guys can see from the collection of bears back there, your man's needed the Bape. Wait, why am I trying to, like, act like you guys don't know what it is? The Bape bear, okay? I'm not trying to be too suspenseful, I promise. Damn, did it come like this? This is some solid, like, holiday packaging, my G. This is dope, and honestly, if I was to get any color, you already know, the pink camo is such a vibe. Look at that. Ooh, he's got the little arms, cat. Hey! He will fit nicely right here amongst the other bears. We got the FTP bear, we got the Supreme bear, we got a couple other bears. I'm gonna have to do a bear collection video soon. Then we have, is this a Bape carabiner? That is fire, dude. This is what I'm talking about. Like, this is why I feel like if you are to buy a mystery box from anybody ever, make sure it is Sarugeneral. He just has so much shit, like, I don't even know that, I didn't know Bape made a Bape carabiner. I'm gonna use this for my keys. Thank you, brother. And then what is this? Is this a Bape camera strap? This is a Bape camera strap. He is filthy. I didn't even know they made this one. I knew about the camo one, but I didn't know they made a baby Milo one. Like, look at it. It says, let's go find some fun. What's for each today? And you have this pattern, like, printed all throughout this little camera strap right here. That's dope. I really didn't know they made that. Obviously, you guys know me. I'm a photographer. Now this piece, I really want to see what this piece is. I'm normally not a shark hoodie kind of guy, and I'm kind of curious if this is a shark hoodie. Whoa, that's filthy. Okay, so boom, as you can see, it's not a shark hoodie. Thank God, because I'm not a big fan of the shark hoodies. However, this is super sick. You have a bathing ape, and then you have the camo up here. So for those of you guys that don't know, I purchased a red camo puffer from Sarugeneral quite some time ago. The reason I bought that was because I was a big fan of Lil Wayne and the video Hustler Music where he is wearing that super sick red camo. Now this actually matches that same red camo, so I can layer that with this jacket and feel just like Weezy F Baby.
So I be who I be, that's me, that's Weezy F Baby.
In Hustler Music. Super sick piece. Thank you, my brother. Alright, what are we gonna get next? I'm just gonna reach in randomly and grab one of the tees. What's this? Oh, here we go. A Bape Kaws. Yo, I don't know if you guys know this, but a long time ago on a trip to the thrift, I found this super sick original fake tee. So dope. But yeah, as you can see, we got a Bape Kaws tee right here. Ooh, a long sleeve? I normally don't even rock with long sleeves, but this is filthy. I like the black neck. Of course, it says Bape Kaws on the back right there. Super sick graphic. Definitely a dope piece to have in the collection. This tee I need to open up next. This piece is super sick. This is probably the most fire Supreme Gons tee. It's crazy to me to see like someone like Sarugeneral, like, I don't know, bro. He's actually sitting there wrapping all these things separately. Like, that's filthy, dude. Ooh, a size large, too. Yo, this is sick, because I've wanted this piece in my collection. As you can see, it says Supreme. You have the little Guns butterfly right there. This is a white tee, and this is a white tee I will be keeping. So thank you, my brother. This piece is so savage. I really wish I would see more Gons pieces like this. I feel like a lot of the recent Gons collaborations have not been nearly as cool, but this is a grail for a lot of people. You guys may have seen this on other things, such as the basketball that's back there. They did some sweatpants, a hoodie, tons of other goods. But yeah, super sick to finally have this shirt in my collection. Oh my god, dude. Like, what is this, bro? Dude, I don't even know what this is. Like, I'm not even gonna lie to you. I have no idea what this piece is. If you guys could put the little timestamp and give me some information on this piece, I would greatly appreciate it, but I genuinely do not know what this is. It's a Supreme tee, obviously. But yeah, like, that's what I'm talking about. He will send you OG pieces. So what's this right here? Is this another... Oh, okay, I've seen this tee before. Supreme High Rollers, as you can see right there, you got the little gun chain. And then on the back, once again, you have the same graphic. High Rollers, however, it does have the little Supreme branding right there. This tee reminds me of something like my mom or something like back in the day. My mom was kind of like a biker chick back in the day, so that definitely reminds me of something from her.
With personal requests, the iOS device associated with this HomePod needs to be on the same Wi-Fi network.
What is this bitch saying? Anyways, I'm kind of bummed because there was like one of the pieces that I did ask for that's not in here. I don't think these are... Maybe it's in this bag. Yo, it's in this bag. It's definitely in this bag because I can smell it. I can smell it. As you can see, my man sent me some Supreme incense. Like, what? That's filthy. You have Supreme right there. You have the Supreme box logo right there. Export quality. It smells heavenly. I'm not going to lie to you guys. I'll probably never use this. This will just be for decor. I just need these in the collection. I actually need the incense burner. Damn, he sent me some other... Oh, my God. Oh, you guys do not know. Like, this piece right here is stupid rare. Yo, as you can see, we got the Supreme Squirt. Bro, there are so many grails that this man is sending me, dude. This is filthy. And I got the FTP gun, so I'm glad to have both of those in the collection. And then also, keeping with the guns, we have the Mendini gun tray. So if you look right here, this is honestly a piece that I've wanted for quite some time. This will definitely be in the display, and this will probably be something that I use to hold my jewelry and shit. But you got the Mendini gun. This is by far one of the sickest graphics I think Supreme has ever dropped, in my personal opinion. Some people may disagree. They did this on a hoodie as well, and just overall, I think this is a super dope graphic. Really, really glad to have the actual gun tray in my collection. Dude, Sarugeneral, thank you so much, bro. Like, for real, I appreciate it. And we're not even done, guys. We are not even done. Next up, we have this right here. This is a little Supreme rag. I'll probably use this as like a hand towel just around the crib, you know what I'm saying? Maybe like a little, you know, just chop it up like this with the videos, you know what I'm saying? Okay, but maybe not. Oh, this is cool. It has like an actual breakdown. You can see exactly what everything goes for and like what it's worth. That's so sick. This comes out to a little less than 2,000 USD, so I'll probably put like $2,000 mystery box. Some of these pieces are grails, like for example, like the water pistol, that's 180 bucks. And it breaks down exactly what everything is worth, so that's kind of cool to actually have that. Things like the Gons butterfly tee, that was only $100, which is actually a really good deal. Yeah, some of these items he has, I feel like way cheaper than what I see them online for. Like, that's crazy. I think he included the mag, which has this little Supreme magazine, which is super sick. I actually have several of these now, so I'm starting to collect some Supreme magazines. But I don't see the Bape magazine in there. Like, that's just... Oh, wait. Oh, no. Maybe this is what's included. This comes with a lanyard? That's filthy. That is so dope. So this is like a magazine that comes with the lanyard, as you can see. So maybe it was this... There's only one mag in there. So I'm thinking maybe this was included in there, but the Supreme magazine wasn't included in the price. And then also, last but not least, I don't know what this is from. Maybe you guys can educate me as well. But we have this right here. These are all like Supreme stickers. And this is like a sheet where you can actually cut these stickers out. You then have the $1 million Bape gorilla head. And then last but not least, you have a little Bape envelope. And inside you have some more stickers. That's super sick. You have the baby Milo stickers. You have the other gorilla head. And then this as well. Yo, dude. This was dope. This is like a cool experience. Like, this is why I like Sarugeneral, because there's some things in here that I didn't even know about. Like, for example, the carabiner, or this. Like, there's all these random cool-ass accessories that you can get from these mystery boxes, and I really, really implore you, if you are going to buy mystery boxes, do it from someone like Sarugeneral, who's like an OG, has a lot of OG pieces, because then, for me personally, like, although I think Sarugeneral will give you a good deal, because if you look at his website in general, the prices that he charges for these pieces are good deals. At least when you open the product, you know you are getting dope shit. And to be honest, it makes it a lot more fun opening, so definitely check out my boy Sarugeneral. He does have mystery boxes up on his website. I will leave a link down to his page in the description below. Thank you, Sarugeneral, for some of these pieces. You will see several of these pieces featured on my Instagram, so make sure you go check out my Instagram. My Instagram is the Starlife, TheStarrlife. This will be somewhere on the screen and in the description below as well, underneath the Sarugeneral website and Instagram. Thank you once again, bro. I appreciate it from the top and bottom of my heart. As always, keep it living the Starlife and peace the fuck out.